Hey everyone, Lindsay from effortless here. Just have to share with you one of my favorite tools in the Magic School Omnibus that can help you write school newsletters really quickly and easily. It is quite far down the list, but the great thing about Magic School is when you find the tool that you're looking for, there it is, class newsletter, you can star it and then it will appear in your favorites at the top. Let's take a look at how we can generate a class newsletter. Right, so it's asking me to identify some highlights from the week. So I'm going to say that we had a great sports day and we had the school play Annie opens this week. Also some important announcements that we will be doing a fundraiser for the animal rescue on the 23rd of July, and also that parents need to remember to pack healthy up. And additional content, I would like this to be a spring themed newsletter. Then I'm going to click on generate. And now I have a class newsletter ready for me. Really, really great. Nice theme, nice content, and very quick and easy.